Hello and welcome to another iSaham tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how you can use the Mplus phone app to buy and sell shares. All you have to do is first type in your user ID, password, and click on sign in. The first thing you'll see would of course be your dashboard showing the market index. I'd like you to click on the top left corner. This is the menu button, and click on stocks. Type in the name of the stock that you wish to purchase. I would like to purchase KLCC today, and click on KLCC. Here we have a ton of information that we can use, and there's even a chart that you can look at. Here's a little fun tip: tilt your phone sideways to open the chart, and tilt it back to portrait to close the chart. Let's move back to market depth and how to buy. Here is the best buy, which is a list of people queuing to buy the share. And here is the best sell, which is people who are queuing to sell the share. Here is the price at which they're queuing to buy or sell. And here is the volume of orders. So we can say that there is one order made to buy at this price. Okay, let's actually buy a share. Click on the buy button on top here. And because we want this to match quickly, we're going to be taking the price from best sell. Okay, choose this. Take a quantity of 1. One thing you need to remember is because the quantities are in lots, so if you buy one lot, it's equivalent to 100 units. So after that, we'll just click on order preview. Type in your password and press OK and confirm. I wouldn't be doing that because I've already ordered the share before this. Click back on menu and view order status. You can move between columns. This is all and confirmed. Why people actually look at order status is to actually see what your order is in right now. Right now it's in confirmed. That means the order has only been confirmed, but it hasn't matched with anybody and the money hasn't been deducted yet. So that means I can cancel at any moment. I just click on KLCC and I can press on cancel order here or reduce order, but I'm not doing that, so go back. And here is the match column. Once my order from here has matched with another person, it will be stated over here. So I think that's all for today. I don't think there's any other information that I need to tell you for just buying and selling shares. So I'd like to bid you farewell. Thank you and happy trading.